Hello friends, welcome to the next video of Complete Guide to Windows 10. In this video I will show you how you can keep your Windows up to date. The video has two sections. In the first section we will check the updates. And in the second section we will see about Windows Update settings. So let's start the video. Keeping your Windows 10 computer up to date is important for two reasons. First, major updates such as the anniversary update will add new features, and second, smaller updates usually fix problems, close security holes and add improvements. Section 1. Checking for updates. If you think that your PC needs to be updated, you don't need to wait for the automatic update process to kick in. You can quite easily check for updates yourself. You can find the Windows 10 update information in the main settings app. Tap the Windows key or click on the Start menu button and then select the settings icon from the side of the menu. Click the Update and Security heading in the menu to open the relevant setting screen. At the top of the window, you should immediately see a message telling you whether Windows 10 is up to date or if updates are currently available. Now here you can see some Windows updates are available. If you will do it for the first time, it will automatically scan for any updates available. You can see here updates are downloading. You can also see here it is showing Windows update checked last 1 hour ago. If you want to see the updates history, then you can click on View Update History. If you want to uninstall any updates, then you can click on Uninstall Updates. By clicking on Uninstall Updates, it will open the control panel from where you can select and uninstall the updates installed. Using this control panel, you can uninstall the updates. Section 2. Windows Update Settings. Now we will set up the update settings. The first one is adjust active hours to reduce disruption. You can set up the particular time from when to when you are using your computer or laptop. In that time only it will automatically update. Then click on Turn On. Now here you can set the time. Current active hours is set to 3 PM to 10 PM default. If we click on pause updates for 7 more days, then the update will be paused. Now let's click on advanced options. Here are update options. The first one is receive updates for other Microsoft products when you update Windows. Then you can turn it on or leave it as it is. You can turn all the options on, it depends on you whether you want or not. The next one is update notification. If you want to get update notification, then you can turn it on and one notification will be sent after update is finished. Now here you can see updates are paused for 35 more days. You can also set a pause until the time. Now you can see the update are paused till 18 March 2021. You can also resume the updates whenever you want, then it will automatically check for updates available. Now let's switch on the next option, that is delivery optimization. You can allow downloads from other PCs, that is it's automatically on. Click on advanced options. Now you can set up the download settings or you can leave it as it is. If you click on activity monitor, then it will show the statics, that is download statics and upload statics. In the next video, I will show you what to keep updates in Windows 10. If you find this video informative, then please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.